What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. What you hear there is not rod knock. That is not rod knock. We got a broken bolt in the header, so I haven't been driving this thing in a while. So today we're gonna make sure we fix this thing. All right, so last time we drove this thing was at OSW, and that they had a little day over there, and we went drifting with everybody. And you know, that's when I got mad at Donnie and all of them for bumping into my car. But a header bolt broke that night, and then we had a massive exhaust leak that sounds like rod knock. So we're gonna try to get that sorted out. Actually, we're gonna test out Hayden. We're gonna have Hayden pull it apart, and we're gonna fix it up. Y'all met Hayden, right? He's the one that hit the wall recently. Wow. This is the wall hit, kid. Oh, fan. Oh my God. Yeah, it hurts. Poor kid, but he's learning how to drive. Yeah. He's gonna get it. You gotta hit the wall one time to get better, and that was his one time. Bet you won't do it again? You wanna do it again?
Nah,
you wanna do it again?
Hell no.
All right, he's not gonna hit the wall again.
That felt like an interrogation.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh, baby.
Wow. It's
Right,
okay, guys. He's
let's
still
pull
learning, so I'm gonna have to give him a little bit of a hard time. Don't talk about lunch yet. Ain't no lunch till we get this damn turbo off, you know?
Alright, so I got the turbo off. Now I gotta take the manifold off. I'm hungry. That's pretty much all I got to say.
Alright, cool. So Hayden did the the easy part. He got the manifold off and stuff, but I actually figured out what was really happening with it. So these rivets don't really work on the with the Artec manifold. As you can see, they mushed them there. So I gotta cut those out before I put it back on. This is probably why it blew the stud out and it was leaking a little bit, because this was pushing on it and it was warping it when it get hot. You know. So if you install your Artec and you use a Kinetic gasket, make sure you cut the rivets out. Should have learned. It's 2 cars I did this on already. Now we're gonna get the stud out, and what you want to do is just center punch the stud. You know, I'm giving y'all a lesson and enlightening y'all with this skill. Just center punch it. Just take your time. Try to get it as center as possible, and then we're just gonna drill a tiny hole in it and use an extractor. Sometimes if you have reverse drill bits, they come out real easy. So get up in there. Hold it center, and I might screw myself. I might have to move my power stand line. Then give it a little tap, and then once you know that it made a little spot, you give it a good whack. Look at that. Center punched. Center punched. This is where really good drill bits come in. Really handy. It's looking like I have to move that power steering line. I'll be back. Got a little extractor kit from the AutoZone. Got Nick in the background making noise with normal stuff, you know. Oh damn, this line does not like me, huh? Woo! I need another adjustable. Okay, so find another one to replace it. All right. There we go. This kit comes with the matching drill bit for the top, so we're gonna try to go mid-length. I think that should get us good. And then you just take your time. You don't have to drill on 2, put it on 1. Take your time and drill it, because if you break this in here, it's gonna be a really bad time. I don't want to have a bad time. Hold it nice and square. Oh, there you go. Oh, see that, guys? That's the feeling of success right there.
The job well done.
You know, sometimes this is turned out to be a real bad day. Today, it's a good one. This is one of the times that a 5-minute job didn't turn into a 2-hour job. Very rare occasion. See that? Feeling of success, guys. Y'all know that feeling, right?
Victorious.
Yeah. Alright. Now we fix it. Did the first time. You can see how bad this one's smushed. Man. So bad. Did you catch it? Oh, it smushed so bad. I'll probably grind it off. Good job here. Look at that. Ha! Gone. One more. Now we got multi-layer, layer multi. We'll put it on. I'm not gonna put a stud back in there. I'm gonna just put a bolt in the front one. That way that don't happen to me again. Make it a little bit easier. Oh, still holding up. Good old R-Tech. Going back on. Going back on. Damn, Hayden, scratch up my shit.
Talking about on the top or on the shock bar?
Yeah.
Nah, that wasn't me.
Yeah, that's what Shaggy said. I'm not putting locking bolts on this time. Right, Hayden? No locking bolts, bro?
Not this time.
Wasn't a good time. Hayden. Majority of it's on, turbo's back on, everything's plumbed back, bolts are tightened up. We're gonna have to let it heat cycle in and tighten it, but which is good because I want to move it to the lift to get the downpipe on. You know, because you know, back pains. I'm gonna just wait till the lift is free. So we'll continue when we move it inside. All right, so we got a lift now, easy on my back. Now we can knock this thing out, get this crazy contraption on. That's the one thing about having like recirculated wastegate. You got to put it on right. Takes a lot more than putting on a regular downpipe, but it sounds really good. Add a little heat protection on there, you know, just so we don't burn out my brakes. me get this thing back in there. Alright, cool. Got it all back together now. We're gonna start it up, let it heat cycle, then we'll retighten the bolts on the manifold just to make sure, because I think it warped a little bit because those rivets on the gasket. So hopefully no more exhaust leaks. Doesn't happen again. No more broken studs. Alright, so the reason it's still making the exhaust leak noise is because I think it warped a little bit. We're gonna let it heat cycle and then tighten it up, and then it should go away. Alright, well that's fixed. Fingers crossed. We're probably just gonna end it there because there's other stuff I want to do. I just don't have time, so we're kind of just gonna cut this video short here. But remember, guys, we're gonna have some merch drop coming on this car. It's gonna be hoodies and t-shirts. Also, make sure you guys turn on your notification and hit that bell. Like, share, subscribe. We see you guys in the next one.